Hey guys, it's your boy David Nanit. I am from the Republic of Congo and I've been living in China for the past 14 years. So this channel is all about life in China, education, business, and etc. guys. So I've been living in China for the past 14 years. And if you want to know something about China, please follow, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is all about how to take the metro here in China. So if you are interested about this kind of content, guys, I would really appreciate it to support your bro, okay? So without saying, guys, let's go. I'm so excited, guys. So guys, in here we have the metro entrance. So this one is line 7. So I'm gonna take the metro here, line 7. So this is how it looks like. It's very clean, very organized. You know, everything is perfect. So we are in China, Hangzhou City. Yeah, China, Hangzhou City. So this is how metro looks like in China. So guys, thank you so much again. I'm very sorry for my English. I'm very sorry for, like I'm kind of nervous, but I'm just happy to do this one, man. I'm a guy who used to be shy, but trying to do this kind of thing, man, is just amazing for me. So maybe you guys cannot have the same feeling I'm having right now, but it's just amazing, right? So you have the direction here. This one is direction to go to take the train. And then here we go. So this one is going to take us to the subway. I am running late. Actually, I have an appointment with a client by half past 4. But now I'm running way late, and I'm sorry for the camera. So this is the subway station. So in here you have the map. So this shows you how to take the subway. All right. So and then in here you have this machine which you can buy. If you don't have the subway card, you can use this machine to check the map, and you have different lines here. All right, and then here you have different prices. It starts from 2 yuan to 9 yuan. Okay, but usually people don't really use this machine. Back in the day, we often use this machine, but right now, because of the technology, so we don't really use this machine anymore. So now what we use the cards. You can have a monthly pass, which is 50 yuan, and then you can also have what we call here in China Alipay. So Alipay, you can download Alipay, and then you can use Alipay for the to get the metro pass or subway pass. So this is how it looks, and usually inside the subway you have security guards. They're gonna check everything. If you have knife, guns, something like that. So this is it. And this one, if you have a bag, you're gonna leave your bag here, just like what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my bag here. Guys, this bag. So the bag is going, and yeah. Hello, ni hao ya. 我现在在办视频. So, 谢谢. So this is how we do, and then I'm gonna use my Alipay. This one is my Alipay transport. Then the metro, I just have to scan here. I will scan here, and now you are good to go. So let's go, guys. And I'm gonna take line 7 and change to line 4. So I usually drive here, but because I'm doing this YouTube video thing, so so yeah. Thank you guys. just support your brother, man. You know, like, comment, and follow. So this is it, guys. So now we still have 1 minute left for our train to come. So guys, now we are waiting for the train, and then you have this screen here which shows the next train will arrive in 5 minutes. So here we have a subway. Okay, so this is the metro. There is one space here, so I'm gonna sit here, guys. So people are waiting. All right, okay, here I am, guys. So this is how it looks, guys. This is the metro in China, Hangzhou city. Guys, you can also comment down below, guys, what are the difference between the metro in China and the metro in your country. All right, nice one. Okay, all right, guys, so see you soon, guys. So guys, now the train is very full of people. Passengers on board, please try to so full of people. One more station left, guys. So now, guys, we get to our destination. I need to go to change to line 4. So from line 4, one station from line 4, then I will get to my office. So stay tuned. Well, there are so many people. So many people. So guys, this one is the exit. We are exiting now, guys. So guys, thank you so much for joining the live. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So I am rushing. My client is already waiting for me. Thank you so much, guys. Keep joining. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, comment, and like. You can also leave your comment down below on the differences between the metro in China and the metro in your country, okay? Thank you so much, guys, and bye for now. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.